Hey guys, FPV Sam here, and first thing I want to say sorry about the mic quality. My mic's broke at the moment, so I'm using the webcam mic. But we're going to take a look at the FlySky FS-i6 radio. So at the moment, I'm using the Turnigy Evolution as my radio for copters. But the reason I got this radio is because, let's have a look, on the side it says that you can use it with like fixed wings and that, so like I could probably set it up to fly my AR wings. So that's one of the reasons that I've got it. The other reason is because I want to do some mods to it, and I will be showing you those mods I will be doing with it on the channel. So right now we're just going to take it out of the box and see what it comes with. So this part's going to be quite noisy, so I'm going to say sorry right now. Okay, there we go. That box was really beaten up because when I got it, the package outer shell of it was all damaged, and that was thanks to Yodel, which is one of the worst shipping companies in the UK. So here you get a manual. Open it up, it's in Chinese that way, but if you open it this way, it's in English. And that, so let's open this part up. So here's the actual receiver. And down here, it looks like you get well, there's the actual radio. Here you get a receiver. It's a 6-channel receiver, and it's the FS-iA6 receiver. I will be plugging that into my mini AR wing. I think this is the data cable, what you can use to upgrade it to a different firmware. I'm thinking it that, or it's either the simulation cable. I'll do some research and I will pop it on screen now to tell you what sort of cable it is. I'm hoping it's the data cable, because in an up and coming video I will be upgrading the firmware on this to a firmware that allows you to have 12 channels instead of the 6 that it comes with. So with 12 channels you can use more of these switches and that, because 6 channels you only get throttle, pitching yaw and stuff like that. So with 12 channels you'll be able to use more of these switches and that. So in your hand it feels quite good. 1 minute, I'm not going to put some batteries in it because it didn't come with any, so be right back. Okay, I'm now back. I put batteries in it, and one thing I like about my Turnigy Evolution, and I will be doing a video comparing these within the next couple of days, is that this comes in with a built-in battery, and this one it takes 4 AA's. So look out for that video where I compare those two radios. So let's turn it on, power it on, and you probably won't be able to see it because it's so bright. Let's let the camera focus. So very good looking screen, and in a video, up and coming video, I will be upgrading this firmware. So gimbals feel okay. What do you expect for like a £38 radio? And the thing that I really wanted this radio for, like I said, was just to do upgrades with it and to use it with my fixed wings. So that's all I'm cared about. So this is it. Check out for some upcoming videos of me taking this apart and doing some mods with it. So I shall see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.